Low-protein diet plan. What to eat and what to avoid. A low-protein diet is not suitable for everyone, and it should not be followed for cosmetic reasons. This diet is suitable only in certain clinical conditions and under the proper supervision of a doctor and a nutritionist. You can follow this diet in cases of improper kidney function, liver disorder, or inborn errors of metabolism. In this video, you will find everything you need to know about a low-protein diet. What is a low-protein diet? An average healthy individual needs 10 to 15% greater than 0.8 grams per kilogram body weight, d, of calories from protein, depending on the activity level. But in a low-protein diet, only about 20 to 50 grams of protein, which is 0.5 to 0.6 grams per kilogram body weight, per day is allowed, which amounts to 4 to 8% of the daily calorie requirement. Though protein is extremely vital for bodily functions, improving metabolic rates, and maintaining weight, a low-protein diet with a balanced approach can also have a better effect on health conditions if you have any clinical disorders. Who should follow a low-protein diet? People with certain metabolic disorders like phenylketonuria, PKU, maple syrup urinary disease, homocystinuria, liver disorders, kidney problems. High levels of uric acid or sensitivity to proteins need to follow a low-protein diet under proper supervision. Why is a low-protein diet important? A low-protein diet is effective in certain medical conditions rather than staying healthy. Here are the benefits of a low-protein diet. 1. Reduces load on kidneys. A low-protein diet is important for giving your kidneys rest and preventing toxic buildup in the body. When your protein intake exceeds the daily requirement, the excess protein is metabolized by the liver to produce urea, which puts a burden on your kidneys. 2. Effective for inborn errors of protein metabolism. A low-protein diet slows down the degradation of protein metabolism, which helps to minimize symptoms of phenylketonuria and homocystinuria, genetic disorders associated with improper protein metabolism. 3. Improves longevity. Foods high in protein, especially animal protein, impact protein metabolism and put a burden on your organs. 4. Reduces uric acid synthesis. A study conducted on diabetic rats on a low-protein diet showed a significant reduction in the formation of uric acid. How much protein should be taken in a low-protein diet? Normally, your body requires about 40 to 60 grams of protein every day, or 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram body weight, depending on activity level. So, if you weigh 60 kgs and do very little to no physical exercise, you will need 48 grams of protein per day. In case you are overshooting that limit, you must reduce your protein consumption to 0.5 to 0.6 grams per kilogram body weight based on the condition of your kidneys and requirement. Consult your doctor for any clinical conditions. List of low-protein foods. Veggies: kale, spinach, carrot, beetroot, scallions, radish greens, radish, turnip, parsnip, and pumpkin. Starches: bread, pasta, cereals, croissants, bagel, muffin, rice cakes, noodles, and popcorn. Fruits: apple, banana, papaya, melon, peach, plum, grapes, oranges, lemon, lime, grapefruit, dried fruits, fruit juice, and frozen or canned fruit. Fats: butter, margarine, mayonnaise, vegetable oil, olive oil, and salad dressing. Sugars: candies, cake, marshmallow, lollipop, Danish, and granola bars. Beverages: green tea, non-dairy beverages, soda, and water. Condiments: vinegar, powdered garlic, powdered onion, fresh and dried herbs, and pepper. You will be allowed to consume the following high-protein foods, but only in very small amounts. Animal protein: fish, meat, and eggs. Dairy: milk, pudding, cream cheese, sour cream, and yogurt. Tip: consider having non-dairy milk products if you have already consumed the allowed amounts of dairy products for the day. Foods to avoid: bacon, tartar sauce, meat tenderizers, ketchup, cooking wine, soy sauce, steak sauce, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, seasoned salt, sea salt. Tip: Avoid consuming high-sodium foods or sugary foods. Talk to your doctor to decide the allowed amount of each food. Now, let me tell you how you can plan your diet depending on the foods that you are allowed to eat. Sample low-protein diet plan. Breakfast. 1 slice whole wheat bread, toasted, plus 1/2 tablespoon margarine or butter plus 1 egg or egg substitute plus hot non-alcoholic beverage or 1/2 cup rice or cream cereal. 1/2 cup whole milk plus 1 tablespoon sugar, optional, plus any seasonal fruit. Mid-morning. Coconut water, any fruit juice, any hot non-alcoholic beverages. Lunch. 1 slice whole wheat bread plus 1/2 tablespoon margarine or butter plus 1/2 cup steamed broccoli plus 1 ounce sliced turkey breast plus 1/2 cup gelatin dessert. Post-lunch. 1 bowl of watermelon. Evening snack. 6 squares salt-free soda crackers plus 1/2 tablespoon margarine or butter or 1 to 2 tablespoon jelly plus 4 apricot halves. Dinner. 1/2 cup tomato juice plus 1 teaspoon margarine or butter, optional, plus 1 baked potato plus 1/2 cup steamed spinach or 1 slice of whole wheat bread. Stuffed sautéed mushrooms, 4 no's, plus 1/2 cup boiled veggies. You can follow this sample diet plan and the tips listed in the next section to eat normally and without feeling deprived. Low-protein recipes. 1. Vegetable and salmon salad. Ingredients. 1/4 cup baby spinach. 1/4 cup rocket spinach. 1/4 cup collard greens. 1 ounce smoked salmon, thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro. 4 tablespoons mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Salt to taste. How to prepare. Toss all the greens and salmon into a bowl. Mix the mayonnaise, lime juice, honey, salt, and chili flakes in a small bowl. Drizzle it over the salad. Garnish with chopped cilantro. 2. Low-protein egg and avocado toast. Ingredients. 1/2 boiled egg. 1 slice of wheat bread. 1/2 avocado. 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. Salt and pepper. How to prepare. Slice the avocado and boiled egg. Place them on top of the wheat toast. Drizzle a little mayonnaise, season, and it's ready. Risks associated with a low-protein diet. Following a low-protein diet on a continuous basis affects the vital functions of cells, such as wound healing and immune response. A low-protein diet can lead to muscle loss. Finally, this diet is low in iron, calcium, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, and hence, you would need nutritional supplements to sustain normal body functions. But, speak to your doctor before taking any supplements. Increases the risk of infections. It can harm the heart if sugar and fat sources are not monitored. May lead to tooth decay. You must talk to your doctor before you start a low-protein diet. Also, take the following precautions. Precautions to be taken on a low-protein diet. A low-protein diet should be followed under strict medical guidance from a dietitian who is familiar with liver and kidney diseases. The diet should be designed in a way to meet the nutritional needs of the dieter and cut down the workload on the kidneys. The diet should not eliminate protein-rich foods like eggs, meat, and cheese. Conclusion. A low-protein diet is great for people who have clinical conditions that call for a reduction in protein intake. Consult your doctor and nutritionist to analyze the problem and devise a customized diet plan with low protein. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.